Okay, you ready for another one of these? That first one was just unbelievable.
Yeah.
You ready for another one?
Yeah.
All right, which one's it gonna be?
First is the best.
This one here, huh? Number one?
Actually, no, third.
This one here.
First is the best. First is the worst. Second is the best. Third is the one with the treasure chest.
I see. Okay.
So let's see if it gets
Okay,
less.
here we go.
Good one.
This is, oh my god.
It's way better.
Man, that's not gonna get old anytime soon. Oh man. Yes! Yes! It's the other Vader, right? So we wanted the one with him transitioning, which is the one we got first, and then now the common, which is the classic Vader that you know.
I won.
So that's it. Everybody knows that Nikki and me, like Ultra Grails, they're probably cool. We'd love to have one, no question about it. But we definitely have a set for Motu, for these guys that we want to build that really encapsulates like what our ideal, collection would be based on our love of the lore and the legends. Like you have to have the official kind of ones, right?
Really, we really only care about the commons.
Yeah, because that's they're very often the ones that you see in the media there. So
I love the commons.
All right, so there we go. So Sith Lord Vader, let's go real quick. We'll go back to. You gotta do it like this here, real quick. Star Wars. Let's go down on the rarities real quick, right? So down the Vader line, these were the top two, right, that we really wanted. Of course, the rest of these are great, but this really is who you think of when you think of Vader. For the Luke, for me, it's Jedi Master. For Nikki, which one was it? That
Old man.
Oh, right, that's it. So
and
Old Man Luke.
I don't really care about the last comment, the Princess Leia comment.
Right.
I just want the way
this one here, right?
Yeah, I just want the ones that you usually always see.
Yeah, like that's the iconic Leia, right?
Because,
so 1, 2.
I've never actually seen her like that.
3, 4, 5, right? So there are 5 that are really on the list very, very firmly that we think are iconic for us. All the Lukes are great, of course. But those 5, 2 pulls, 2 of 5. So that's it. We're on a good run. All right, we'll be back with more.